Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will present about my design, which is designing urban farm for community garden and social cohesion in Ipoh Town. Social cohesion is a glue that holds community together. We can think as the harmonies between people and group and also individual. According to the article written by Vin, social cohesion can be achieved by setting the mentality of communities to achieve the same goal. Therefore, I am introducing the permaculture urban farming landscape to create social cohesion among communities. These are the ethics of permaculture. Earth care, which is about environmental right, fair and share, which is about source of livelihood, and lastly, people care, which is related to the topic, which is social cohesion. The location of my site is at Permaculture Ipoh. Permaculture is an undeveloped area inside of Ipoh town. It was one of the early Malay settlements that exists in Ipoh. Permaculture also was an agriculture and tin mining area. This is the location of communities which is located really near with Permaculture. 86.2% of the respondents are agreed to join the urban farming program. Terrace of livelihood is the concept of my design, which is inspired by traditional terrace farming. The design is divided by 4 terraces, which are environment, economy, historical, and community. Starting from the terrace 4, it consists of terrace farm, aquaponic farm, composting area, and processing area along with hen houses. This is the section of terrace farm. It is the main area for community to plant foods and having social interaction among them, which is related with the ethic, which is people care. In this farm, also propose a sphere garden. It used for vertical farming purposes, but it is also a shelter for community to rest and interact with each other. All of the terraces spaces are provided for community to show their creativity on designing their own garden. It purposely to enhance the sense of place among communities. Moreover, it also can be a place for community events and programs to increase the social cohesion among them. Next is Terrace Tree. Terrace Tree is a heritage trail where ethnobotanical farming has been proposed. The character of the historical houses can create sense of identity for the urban farm, which is also good for place-making concept, which is really important to create social cohesion. The vegetations that had been used by the former community will be planted to enhance the character of the place as an agriculture area during 19th to 20th centuries. Examples of the vegetations are Carmona microphylla, which had been used as a therapy after childbirth, and Persicaria chinensis, which is used to prevent gastric. And now we go to the terrace 2. Terrace 2 is more to economical place, which is community will be able to sell their fruits. It is more related with the social bonding between communities and visitors. In this area have cafe, farm market, and gathering plaza. It is related with fair and share concept. Lastly, Terrace 1. Terrace 1 is a place species preservation for existing habitats such as birds, which are cattle egret and Ardea cinerea. Besides, it is also to create a better space for fisheries together with their friends to go fishing, and it can be part of the urban farming activities. Shelters have been proposed to create a social space, and also on top of the shelters will be planted climbers such as piper canimum, which can attract birds. Wetland and retention pond also proposed in the design to prevent flooding and also to increase the biodiversity of the area. For the conclusion, according to the article written by Bergensen, by enhancing social interaction with green environment, it will create a good community health and well-being. Therefore, social cohesion will be increased among communities. That's all from me. Thank you.